The articulating door mullion, located on the left side door, consists of the 120-volt AC heater, the external spring, and an upper and lower hinge. It can be replaced as an assembly or as individual parts. To replace the articulating mullion, flip the assembly out and use a small flat-bladed screwdriver to pry off the two screw caps at the center hinge to expose the two Phillips-head screws. Also note this external spring on the lower hinge that needs to be removed by simply pulling it out. Now, remove the two Phillips-head screws from the center hinge. Then, grasp the mullion at both ends and lift straight up in order to clear the support tabs at the top and bottom hinge as seen here. Once the mullion is removed and pulled slightly away from the door liner, locate and disconnect the wiring harness.